To set up partial payment option for your online store, so the first thing you do is you navigate to the store management section and select settings. So here we'll select in the settings page, we'll select other totals. So this will show us a list of available other total extensions. So we can learn more about this by clicking on the help button. So here we'll now search for the partial payment option. So this is it. So this is the one we are going to set up. So this partial payment other total extension enables your customers to make instrumental payments when ordering a product in your store. So we go ahead and click on the edit button. So here we'll now proceed to set up the partial payments module. So the first thing we do is we specify the other total. So here we'll now specify the checkout other total amount. So before this module becomes active, so we go ahead and put 1. So what this means is that any other total that is below 1, this module will not be active. So we set it as 1. So under the partial payment in percentage by price, we can, if we select this or we select this. So but for this example, we are going to set it up so that it uses just the percent. It doesn't calculate it using the price. So already we have an option here. So what this means is that 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, all this will be available for the customer to choose when making a partial payment. So we can go ahead, let's say we remove the 10%. So customer will have only 20, 30, and 40 and 50%. So to choose. So under this place, we can also set up the payment frequency. So here we have 3 options. We have the pay weekly, pay monthly, pay annually. So let's go ahead and just select just the pay weekly and pay monthly and deactivate this. So here we can restrict this module so that it's only active on some categories. So but for this example, we'll leave it empty. So what this means is that the module will be active for all categories that's in the store. So all product categories will be able to, your customers will be able to use this module when ordering on all products in the store. So here we can restrict this module so that it's only available or is not available on some products. So let's go ahead, can type in the product name. Let's say it's not available for product 4. So what this means is the partial payment module cannot be used for this product. So we can also restrict so that there's only some customer groups that can use this module. So but we'll leave it. Here we can set the geo zone. We'll leave it as all zones. Tax class, we can also set it up, but we'll leave that. So we go ahead and enable the status. And then the default payment frequency, select it as monthly. So here we can set up cron job so that the reminder email, so that the store can automatically send reminder email to customers who have ordered using the partial payment module. So this you require to submit a ticket so that we can set up this for you. So after we have set up this options, go ahead and save. Okay, so now that we have saved, the partial payments module is active. So remember, you can always check the help section by clicking on the help button to learn more on how to set up the partial payments module. So now that we have set up the module, let's go ahead and make a test order. To do that, we click here to open the store front end. So now we are going to order this product. We select it. So we add it. And then we proceed to checkout. So select the delivery address. So here we select the delivery method. Now you see under the payment method, we now have the option to make a partial payment. So we can pay all at once. You see these are the options, the percentage options that we have. Or we can make a 20% of the total amount or 40%. So for this example, let's select 40%. So that means we'll make 40% of the total amount now and pay the rest later. So here we'll now proceed to select the payment frequency. So we select pay monthly. So what this means is we'll make the other payments. So if we are making 40% now, so in a month's time, that means we are going to pay the remaining 60%. So we select this and then proceed to select the payment method that we'll use. So we can select World Remit payment method and proceed. So here you can see that in the confirm order section, you can see that the 40% has been applied to the total amount. So this is what we are paying now in order for us to complete the order. So we go ahead and make this payment using the World Remit details here. So we click here to confirm the order. So now that the order has been placed, we proceed back to the admin panel. So we click here. So for us to view the order, we navigate to the store management section and select sales. So here we select orders. So now you see that the partial payment has been added to the order section. So you see that this is the order we just made. So you can see here is the remaining payments that we'll make in a month's time. So we applied 40%. So this is our next payment date. We have it here. So we go ahead and open this order. Click on the view button. So you can see that the payment method, the shipping method. So here is the partial payment of 40% that we made. So you can see it here. So we can proceed to process the order using the options here. So let's go back to the orders page. So you can see that for this order, there is a button here that says request payment. So clicking on this button will send an email reminder to the customer to make the outstanding payments, which is this. So we can always also automate. Remember, we can automate this using the cron job that I showed you earlier. So, but let's go ahead and click on this button. So it says a payment request was sent to the customer's email. So this is an example on how you can send a reminder email to the customer concerning partial payment transactions. So let's go back to the front end. So I'll proceed to my customer account. So I select my account. So here we can see in the my account page, we go ahead and select the order history. So here you can see that our outstanding payments has been added in the order history page. So this is what we have to pay in order to complete the order. So let's go ahead and view it. So in the order details page, you can see a breakdown of the partial payments. This is what we paid now. So this is our next payment. So this is the balance payment. So we can always process as a customer. The customer can come here to process the outstanding payments. So you can see the payment instruction that we added earlier. So you can click on this. Let's click on this and see. So this will enable us to pay the outstanding balance if we want. So we can come here and make 40% payments by clicking this. So in this example, I've shown you how to set up the partial payments module and also how a customer can make a partial payment when placing an order, and also how to send a reminder email to your customers concerning a partial payment transaction. Thank you for watching.